and welcome back. Okay, before we dive into how to use our super duper templates, I thought I would try and explain to you what an iframe is. I get a lot of confusion over iframes, and I thought, well, let's type into Google what is an iframe and see if they could come up with a really easy way of me explaining to you what it is. But in all honesty, you know, it's not so easy to explain because it is an HTML piece of code. That's basically what it is. Okay, I mean, this definition here says an HTML element is an individual component of an HTML document, and goes on to talk about how HTML documents are comprised, etc., etc. I think the best way to explain it is simply that an iframe allows you to take a page off the web, any page off the web, and place it within Facebook. Okay, so it's just a piece of code that allows Facebook to read the language in the web page and be able to place it on Facebook. Yeah, so for instance, you've got a web page out there that starts with http://:/www dot, yeah, your web page. You can't just put that in Facebook. So what Facebook does is it gives you the opportunity to place that web URL address within the code that's called an iframe, and this then shows it from within a Facebook page. Okay, so that really is the best kind of explanation that I can give you. Now, I do go into, on the Create a Website on Facebook course, the WordPress course that you guys will have access to or may have already seen, I do go into some detail as to how to actually create an application and to integrate it with Facebook within an iframe. So I'm not going to go into that detail here, but basically this is my developers screen. Okay, so these are all my applications that I've created, all of my different applications. That's it. Okay, and if I go into any one of my apps, yeah, so if I click on here, edit settings, and actually go into one of the apps, what you're going to see at the bottom of the screen is how to integrate your app with Facebook. Okay, so you can integrate it as a website, you can integrate it as an app on Facebook, a mobile web app, a native iOS app, an Android app, or a custom tab for Facebook pages. Okay, and this is basically where you would go in and put your URL for your page, okay, and click Save Changes, and then Facebook does all the work for you and creates the relevant code, creates the iframe to allow your web page to show on your Facebook page. Alright, so it's really quite easy to actually go and place a page on Facebook. But what we've done with our templates is we've actually done everything for you within the templates. So all you ever actually have to do is create your page here and then publish it, and that will so you always update it first, but I go through that in the instructions. You'll then publish that, and that's then going to show on Facebook, yeah, and you don't need to have to go and worry about setting up an app and going into Facebook developers and all of that kind of stuff. It does it all for you, and it codes the iframe and everything that needs to be coded, okay, and puts the page on your Facebook page. So if you hear the word iframe, the key thing really is I just don't want you to get really hung up on what is an iframe, because it's really quite irrelevant. It's just a piece of code. That's all an iframe is. It's a piece of code. What's important is how can you get your web page or your welcome page in a really nice format onto your Facebook page that people are easily able to see, access, and sign up to your compelling offer. Okay, and whether you decide to go in and create it yourself, Facebook generally does the work for you, and if you want to use one of our templates, then our templates do the work for you and create all of the relevant coding and everything that you need to worry about. So I hope that helps. I hope that just kind of gives you a little bit of an overview of how it works and what an iframe actually is. We're now going to head over, and the next few videos are all about how to use our templates. Okay, the next few videos are going to show you exactly how to use all of these drag and drop widgets, how to use our background templates to create your pages, how to upload them all to Facebook, amend them, use reveal tabs, use Google Analytics, everything. So do enjoy the next few videos, and I look forward to seeing you and speaking to you very soon. Take care.